Hey good people, it is Devereaux and this is a DIY with Devereaux video. Yes, you guys, and this is probably the easiest DIY you could ever do. But I wanted to show you guys how I jazz up my t-shirts a little bit when I go thrifting. Sometimes I rock them just as is, but for the most part, recently I've been really into cutting them in half and cropping them. So I wanted to show you guys two ways that I do it. Remind you, they're super easy. These are all examples of previous shirts that I've revamped, and if you have any questions, just let me know down below and I will answer them for you. What was that? I don't know. Let's go. All right, for my second method, I also found this t-shirt at my local Goodwill. Both of these shirts are found in the men's section. I'm telling you guys, it's the best place to get your t-shirts. So I chose this one because I was headed home to Detroit, baby. And you know, Ford, Henry Ford, Detroit, Motor City, you get it? Okay. So this method, I'm gonna fold the shirt in half down the middle, and then I'm gonna lay it flat. And this is much easier. Like I said before, if you don't have a steady hand, you'll still get somewhat of an even cut. Now mind you, if you're large in the bosom like I am, your front will not hang as low as the back because there's something lifting it up, which are your boobs. So be mindful of that. If you have to cut at an angle, if you want it to be completely straight or even front to back. So also those scraps at the bottom, I hold on to those and I make headbands out of them. So I wouldn't just toss them if you're thrifty, crafty like I am. Don't forget to roll the bottom, and again, you're done.